This verse doesn't say we move alone. It says in him we move. Some of the doors that never opened were not punishments, they were rescues. Some of the delays that broke our hearts were God saving our future. You thought God was slow, yet he was being careful with you. Not every open door is God. Some are traps. God blocks paths not to frustrate you, but to preserve you. If God didn't stop you, today you wouldn't be here. When God leads, even the long road is safe. Movement without God drains you. Movement with God sustains you. Proverbs 16 verse 9. A man's heart plans his way, but God directs his steps. Psalms 37 verse number 23. For the steps of a good man are ordered by the Lord. Stop fighting for speed. Trust the God who knows where you are going. If he is leading, you will arrive, and you will arrive whole.